Attention North Huron Blyth Fire, please respond 243 Gypsy Lane, fully engulfed barbecue fire, smoke and flame are visible. There's a cedar house about 12 feet away, so a full tank of propane as well. 243 Gypsy Lane for a fully engulfed barbecue fire. It's 194165. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station, please respond 243 Gypsy Lane for a fully engulfed barbecue fire. Smoke and flame are visible. A cedar house is about 12 feet away, as well as a propane tank. 243 Gypsy Lane, cross streets of Blyth Road and Robert Bell Lane Street for a fully engulfed barbecue fire. Time of your second page is 1942:48. Blyth Station, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for Blyth Station. Blyth Station responding shortly.
That's Roger. Car 4 acknowledging page 1943.
Fire dispatch, you can mark car 3 responding.
Roger that.
Car 3, car 4. Go ahead, car 4, car 3. Car 3, I'll put tank 4 on the road. Advise that you need more manpower and additional apparatus. Will do. Be on scene momentarily here. Fire dispatch, can you update me on that 911 address?
Roger that. It's going to be 243 Gypsy Lane. It's just going to be between Blyth Road, or just off Blyth Road.
Confirm that. You can show car 3 on scene.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
Engine 6 responding, 4 Belton.
Roger that, engine 6.
Car 3 to Wingham Station. Go ahead, car 3, this is tank 4. Tank 4, you can stand down. I'll just use engine 6. Roger that, car 3, tank 4 standing down. Fire dispatch, you can mark contact with the homeowner. We did have a barbecue on fire. The fire's been extinguished with an extinguisher. We're just going to get some gas shut off here momentarily. Car 3, tank 8. Tank 8, you can stand down. Copy that, tank 8 standing down. Engine 6, car 3. Engine 6, go. All I need is manpower with just another extinguisher and bunker gear on. Roger that. What's your ETA, engine 6? 30 seconds, we're just right by the area. Car 3 Hotel, do you want a water can or an extinguisher? Engine 6, bring an extinguisher and somebody in full bunker gear. Not a pack though. Water can. Fire dispatch, engine 6 on scene.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, you can mark under control and lost stop at this location.
Roger that, command. Under control, lost stop, 1952.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark call terminated, scene being left with the homeowner. All units are returning to the station.
Roger that, command, I copy. Command is terminated. Scene being left with the homeowner. All units are returning to station at 1957. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 48 John Street East. Callers reporting CO alarm is going off. No symptoms, no smoke or flames. All occupants are evacuating. Again, that's 48 John Street East for a CO alarm. Time of page is 1958. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond to 48 John Street East. That's between Shutter Street and Center Street. Callers reporting CO alarm is going off. No symptoms, no smoke or flames. Everyone will evacuate. Again, that's 48 John Street East between Shutter Street and Center Street for CO alarm. Time of second page is 1959. North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4, acknowledge page for the Wingham Station.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron, engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 responding to 48 John Street for the report of a CO alarm sounding. Alpha car 4 plus 3 belted.
Roger that, engine 1.
Fire dispatch, Blyth Station.
Blyth Station, go ahead.
You can show engine 6 back at Hall, back in service. Can you download the call when you get a chance, please?
Fire dispatch, call engine 1. Fire dispatch, call engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show engine 1 on scene, 48 John Street, Alpha B command. Command will be mobile. I have made contact with the homeowner.
Roger that, engine 1, you're on scene. Alpha will be in command and mobile. You have made contact with the homeowner, 2004.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You can mark, we have a team of 2 entering on air for an air quality check.
Roger that, command. Team of 2 entering on air for air quality check at 2005.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Sweep of first and second floor complete. No readings on multi-gas or thermal imaging camera.
Roger that. Sweep of first and second floor complete. 0 readings.
Command, call entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
We have not found a CO detector in the north bedroom.
Yeah, roger that. I was just talking to the homeowner. It sounds like she brought it down to the Charlie side where you guys made entry. I believe it was going off in the north bedroom, and then she brought it down here prior to our arrival.
That's Roger. Thank you. Just confirming. We were just looking for it.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You can show the entry team has done a complete sweep of the building. We have 0 findings on the multi-gas. We have located the alarm. It is not still an alarm, but we're just doing a second sweep and a smoke alarm check.
Roger that. Command, I copy. Entry team has completed the sweep. 0 findings on the multi-gas. Conducting a second sweep. To confirm, it's 2025.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
show the secondary sweep complete. Also 0 reading. At this point, command will be terminated. Engine 1 will be returning to station, and the property will be left with the homeowner.
Command second sweep done, 0 readings. Command's terminate, engine 1 returning to station. Property's been left with the homeowner. It's 20:29:27.